All right, boys and girls, this is exciting. So it is 11:16 p.m. on a Monday night, and I just got done with my commitments. I am on my way home. I'm gonna run to the house. I'm gonna load everything. I'm just gonna throw everything in my bag that I need for tonight. I'm gonna cook supper in the hot tent. It's gonna be late, but I stay up till like 4 in the morning every other day, so this isn't gonna stop me. And we're gonna have us a wonderful hot tent experience. Here's why. Chances of snow at midnight, which is literally 20 minutes from now, chances of snow 65%, and then the chances after that just go to like 100%, like it's gonna snow. It is April, what is it, April 19th, so this just doesn't happen a lot here in southern Iowa. This is a great chance for me to really test out the hot tent, and one last chance for me to get out in the bush in the snow, so I'm doing it. Here I am, back in the hot tent. The hot tent that is not hot. It's 37 degrees out. So, in order to try to secure the stovepipe, I have a big piece of tin here, and I'm going to take the tin snips, try to fashion it into a jacket for the stovepipe. And then I'm going to get supper started, which tonight is going to be spaghetti with meat sauce. So I've got the accoutrements, the requirements for that. Just got in here. It's already after midnight, but I don't care. Like I said, I stay up till 4 in the morning anyway. So we're going to have some fun here for the next 3.5 hours or so. Step 1 was gathering my stuff and arriving back at the campsite. Almost forgot about step 2. I was about to get to work with, I was about to go to step 3 without doing step 2. Shape. Ooh. Alright, step 2, Steve Wallace, Camping with Steve. Check out his YouTube channel. The ooh. Wait, I can't do it right unless I actually... Ooh. Craig Tube. C-R-A-I-G. Tube. He's awesome. Home brewer. Awesome home brewer. He's the guy that got me into brewing beer. Alright, now we can proceed to step 3. We have snow flurries that have just begun. I could hear them hitting the tent. I'm excited. Camping in the snow. The stove is finally starting to warm up some. Took long enough, I must say. And it's finally starting to warm up inside the tent a little bit. And it's going to get real cozy, I have a feeling. Looking forward to another super cozy night in here. I'm going to switch these two. I don't want to put the cart before the horse here. Normal camp stoves like this you can't cook on. This one is pretty freaking cool. There's also a water jacket that comes with this stove, so you could have hot water. This is the best stove as far as bushcrafting, tent stoves, the camp stoves, outdoor stoves that I looked at. This is the best one, bang for the buck. This will run you about 200 and something bucks. I caught it on sale, but even just buying it regular, it'll run you only 200 and something bucks. And honestly, it's worth it, because this thing breaks down and everything fits inside the stove. Everything. The downfall is it's big and it's heavy. It weighs 75 pounds. This winter, when I'm not able to drive back here, my campsites are close enough together that I can put it on a sled and move it to whatever shelter or tent or contraption that I want to put it in. Alright, I got a few spices to bloom. How about some fennel seed? It's organic. Italian seasoning. Dun dun dun, MSG. Oh, it's gonna kill us. And salt, pepper, onion, garlic. And we mix. Sam the cooking guy. That's what he always says. There's another one. Look him up on YouTube. I watch him all the time. He always goes, and we mix. Aldi's marinara is actually pretty good. It's not as good as homemade, but it's good. And with that meat seasoned properly, I think we can make this work. I'm not okay. So I find that this is a two-zone kind of flat top here. The closer to the front, the cooler it is, and the hotter is closer to the stovepipe. So come on, baby. I know there's more in there. And in fact, I'm going to rinse this darn thing out and get every bit of goodie, because that water will evaporate. Done deal. I might save this jar to put the leftover sauce in. See, I'm thinking. How fun is this? We're out here on the back 80 of this property cooking spaghetti with garlic bread, which I'm getting ready to make, in a tent. Man, I got this butter spray. It's not as good as butter, but when you're out camping like this and you want to make a quick, grilled cheese or something, that, and you don't have to hassle with butter, this is the way to go. Who does this? Nobody does this in the bush. This is cool. Oh boy, that doesn't suck. Every good Italian restaurant I've ever ate at starts out with a salad. Look at this giant plate of spaghetti. Couple pieces of toast. And we have a perfectly fancy spaghetti meal in the bush. Oh man, this is the best spaghetti I've made in a while. Helps when you take your time, throw a couple extra ingredients in. Damn, it's hot in here. Look at the side of that tent. Look at that water beading off the side of that tent. Clearly, my aunt had it treated not long before she quit using it, because it is absolutely beating the water. I'm kind of in a coma after eating that really delicious food. I happen to bring my laptop. Now I'm going to see if there's any battery life left. And I might crawl into bed and watch a movie. I'm watching this documentary and watching the fire glow. It's really coming down out there. This is so cozy, I can't even. Anyway, it's still snowing. There's a little bit of snow on the ground. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Unfortunately, the time has come that I have to take this all down. This makes me incredibly sad. Thanks for watching. This is, man, this was an incredible couple days camping. I really, really enjoyed it. So, definitely going to do it this way again. Thanks for watching.